Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akriti and on this channel we discuss anything and everything related to girlies, fashion, lifestyle, makeup, reviews, recommendation and basically everything जो मैंने अपने life में experience किया है and I want to share all of my experiences with you all. On this channel I want to give a very big sister energy. Today's video we are going to be talking about top 15 skincare, makeup, body, hair care products under 300 rupees that I swear by and मुझे बहुत पसंद है and you know these products are basically वो वाले products जो मैं अपनी daily life में use करती हूँ and that is why I'm recommending to use these products. I have a combination skin, like my T-zone is very oily, otherwise I'm a very dry skin type of a person. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll be starting from face wash. ठीक है. So I use this Pond's face wash. I have tried a lot of face washes, but this one in particular, like this Pond's face wash, works really well for me because of my oily nose. Oil production होता है मेरी nose पे, but this helps in reducing it. And this one is for ₹270. Next, since मेरे बहुत ही कम बाल हैं, बहुत झड़ते हैं और मुझे बहुत heavy hair fall होता है every now and then. तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शैम्पूज ट्राई करती हूँ बट नन हैज़ वर्क फॉर मी. सो आई ट्राइड लव ब्यूटी प्लान, मामा अर्थ, विश केयर और ये बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के शैम्पूज, डव, सनसिल्क, पैंटीन जो बचपन से हम यूज़ करते हुए आ रहे हैं बट नन हैज़ वर्क फॉर मी. द वन विच हेल्प्स मी इन क्लेंजिंग माई स्कैल्प और बाल उससे थोड़े से कंपेरेटिवली कम झड़ते हैं, लॉरियल टोटल रिपेयर 5. इससे मेरे बाल थोड़े से कम झड़ते हैं और मेरा स्कैल्प थोड़ा क्लीन हो जाता है बिकॉज ड्राइनेस और उससे फ्लेक्स आ जाते हैं एंड इचिंग होती है, तो डैंड्रफ भी है तो डैंड्रफ हो जाता है. बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ लॉरियल टोटल रिपेयर 5 दिस हेल्प्स मी इन क्लेंजिंग माई स्कैल्प. इसका शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर बोथ वर्क्स रियली वेल फॉर मी. So I've been using this one and it works really well, so you can check this out. ये होली ग्रेल है. इसके अलावा मैं कोई भी अगर शैम्पू यूज़ करती हूँ तो वो मेरा स्कैल्प अच्छे से क्लेंस नहीं करता है या फिर मुझे बहुत हैवी हेयर फॉल होता है. सो आई यूज़. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट मॉइस्चराइजर, सिंस आई हैव अ ऑयली स्किन, so the only moisturizer that I can use is gel based moisturizers and the one that I've been using for years now, the Pond's Super Light Gel. This one you get for around 240 rupees. If you are on skincare, if you come to sunscreen, then Dr. Shet's sunscreen is really very good. Like उसका थोड़ा thick consistency है, but you can skip moisturizer if you're using that because it has a thick consistency and it is so good. SPF 50 plus है, but it is really very good sunscreen. Also, I prefer Dot & Key sunscreen. वो भी very liquidy consistency and very nice. Now if you're somebody who has a oily scalp और बहुत greasy scalp हो जाता है आपका एक ही वॉश के बाद अगले ही दिन, so क्योंकि हम रोज़ तो शैम्पू नहीं कर सकते, so I recommend using dry shampoo. I have tried a lot of dry shampoos. I've tried dry shampoo from Bee Blunt, Zudio, Westside, and I have also tried a dry shampoo from Arata. There's a brand called Arata, वहाँ से भी मैंने ट्राई किया था but it sucks. इतने वाहियात ड्राई शैम्पूज हैं. If you're looking a good dry shampoo in budget, then you can try this one from Westside. This छोटू bottle costed me 100 rupees, so you can buy this. I have always told this कि you should always smell good and you should always keep odor away from your body. So one thing that works odor control is roll-ons. You can use any roll-on in particular, but ये वाला थोड़ा हाइप में है, so you can use this one or any other roll-on would personally recommend using Fitkari. It works wonders. कोई उसके बारे में बोलता नहीं, but it is the best thing out there. Control body odor, Fitkari works the best. So आप कोई भी स्किन केयर करते हो, so you need cotton pads in your routine. So I would recommend buying these from Zudio. ये 80 रुपये का you get a whole pack from Zudio, so it is very affordable. If you want a glowing face, so I have got this एक randomly मिस साइड में I got this face mist. This is shiny consistency वाला है कुछ. This is enriched with hyaluronic, how do you say it? Hyaluronic acid. And ये इट हैज़ शाइनी पार्टिकल्स, तो आप इसको अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करते हो यू गेट अ बिट शाइन ऑन योर फेस. This one is for rupees 295. Now if we talk about makeup, I have a few things जो कि आपके पास होनी चाहिए and I got these under rupees 300. First of all, if you are somebody who does not apply a lot of foundation and concealer on your face, then you can buy BB cream from Pond's and बहुत light consistency and it even outs your face. This one is for rupees 165, but you can get it on discount. So you can get it under 100 rupees as well. This works pretty well. अगर office going person or college going person, then आप ये रोज apply कर सकते हो. It is pretty good. Next, you can buy some lipsticks. Since we're talking under 300, Zudio has to offer some really great lipsticks under 200 only. And recently I got the shade from Zudio. This one is All Day Matte and the shade is Dusty Pink. It's a very nude pink shade and it looks pretty good. This one I got for rupees 149 or 199 something. And this is pretty nice. Now, if you're looking for makeup fixer, then you can buy this Inside Cosmetic makeup fixer. ये काफ़ी long lasting है and it is very good. This one is for 200 rupees. It's pretty good under 200 rupees. It's pretty good. मेकअप फिक्सर का काम अच्छे से करता है. ये अच्छे से आपका मेकअप फिक्स रहता है. About 5 to 6 hours your makeup is very intact. If you're looking for loose powder to set your makeup or stuff like that, then I have this Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder. ये loose powder है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा loose है, and you get a puff applicator inside it. It is nice, pretty nice. And this one is for rupees 125, but ये सस्ते में ही मिल जाता है. You can get it for 80-90 rupees anywhere. Always tell everybody to smell nice. So ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि मेरी recommendation video में there is nothing fragrance related. So I've got this body mist from Miniso. This is Dopamine Mood Body Mist in the flavor Cozy, and this one is for 260 rupees. And इसको लगा के you get a very fresh feeling, like cozy feeling आती है, fresh एकदम aqua fresh feeling आती है इसको लगा के. Yes, it's nice feminine aqua feeling है, मतलब it's pretty good, so you can get it. So I think with that we've come to an end. Let me know what do you think of this video. सारी links comment section में मिल जाएंगी. Let me know अगर आपके पास और कोई recommendations हैं under 300 rupees. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe and comment down your favorite thing. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.